Because our parabola here does not cross the x-axis, we have to write the equation of this graph starting with the vertex form, which is the highest or the lowest point of a parabola. Since our graph opens down, our vertex is the maximum point right here, where the x value here is 4, and then the y value is -1 for that point. The general equation for the vertex form is y equals to a times x minus h squared plus k, where our h and k is the vertex. So we are going to plug in what we know. So we have y equals to a times x minus h. Our h value here is 4. And then squared, k value is going to be -1. The next thing we're going to find is the value of a by picking another point on this parabola so that we can fill in our x and the y value here to find the value of a. So the point that we're using here will be this point where the x value is 5 and the y value is -3. So instead of writing y equals, you're going to write it as -3 equals to a times x, our x value is 5, and then we have -4 squared minus 1. Now we can simplify this equation to solve for a, so we have -3 equals to 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 squared is 1, 1 times a is just a, and then bring down the -1. Then we are going to add 1 to both sides to solve for a. So therefore, the value of a is going to equal to -3 plus 1, which is -2. Now we know the value of a. I can go back to my equation and replace that a value with -2. And this is the equation for this parabola in the vertex form. To write it in the standard form, which is y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c, I can expand or multiply x minus 4 squared out. X minus 4 squared simply means that you're multiplying x minus 4 by itself 2 times. So you can either use the FOIL or the table method to multiply these two binomial factors. So we have x minus 4 times x minus 4, which will give us x squared minus 4x minus another 4x, and then -4 times -4 is positive 16. And you can combine the like terms, so we have y equals to, from the vertex form, we're going to bring down the number in front of the parentheses, which is -2. And then we have times x minus 4 squared is same thing as x squared. -4x plus -4x is -8x, and then plus 16. And don't forget to bring down the -1 at the end from the vertex form. So to simplify this equation further, we're going to distribute the -2. So we have -2x squared plus 16x minus 32, and bring down the -1. So the equation for this parabola in the standard form is -2x squared plus 16x, -32 minus 1 is -33.